Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify subscription charges using Capital One easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the account you want to verify subscription charges for. Scroll down to the Transactions section. Look for any recent transactions that correspond to subscription charges. If you don't see the specific charge, use the search feature to filter by date or keyword. Click on the transaction for more details. Review the transaction details to confirm it is a legitimate subscription charge. If the charge is unfamiliar, click on the Contact Us option for assistance. You can also use the Capital One mobile app to verify subscription charges. Open the app on your device and log in. Tap on Accounts to select the relevant account. Swipe to view recent transactions. Use the search bar to find subscription-related charges. Tap on any transaction for further details. If you need more clarification, utilize the in-app messaging feature to connect with support. Remember to check your email for any notifications related to subscription renewals. Stay aware of recurring payments by regularly monitoring your account statements. This approach helps you keep track of all your financial activities effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.